Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about our favorite furniture on Amazon. You guys, this is from ZINUS. It's their Benton sofa. It's got these grid tufts on it. I love the look of this. It's ultra classic, but it just looks cozy and comfy, and it's gonna look amazing in your space. There's several different colors to choose from, and they all look great. This is going to be polyester on the outside, a foam padding on the inside, and it's going to all be wrapped around a really sturdy, durable base. It supports up to 750 pounds. This is gonna last a really long time, you guys, and just look great. Classic, timeless, beautiful. It's got these slightly rounded arms on the side. It just is a really classy looking couch. You're gonna love it. It's also super comfortable. The foam is like the right level of firmness. It's going to be comfortable, but yet also offer a lot of support. So this is great if you are gonna be sitting on the couch for a long period of time, maybe working. You know, you want that support. You want something that is not gonna hurt your back after you've been there for a while. This is gonna be your couch. There's a 1-year limited warranty, so you can buy with confidence. It's totally hassle-free. And also, you guys, these are the easiest couches to assemble. Oh my goodness, tool-free. You don't need anything, right out of the box. It takes like 20 minutes. Bam, you're done. Easiest furniture you will ever put together. So if you hate putting together furniture, this is a great option for you. The care is super easy too. It's gonna be slightly like stain resistant and resistant to getting super dirty. Just wipe it down. It's that easy. You guys go ahead and put this in your cart, upgrade your old couch. You're gonna be so happy that you did.